The words coming out in an instant. So this is my team, and these are the words coming like in an instant way. Like this isn't prepared before, so bear with me and my team. So the thing is, our concept is of evolution and revolutions. So you see, there's a lot of revolution taking place in this world, like all the revolutionary concepts coming day by day. So there's a phone model yesterday and it won't exist today, a bike model yesterday and it won't exist today. So our concept is to show that how the environment is being destroyed by this evolution of man. So we were our ancestors were early men, and now we were perfect and wise men. So this is the project, and this is the poster actually. So this is the complete tree which was happy when we were early men, and it goes on. It was destroyed by our ancestors, and now we are destroying it. And see, now the robots are future. So we don't know what's gonna happen. So the rest of the thing will be carried forward. We'll keep.
Honestly, do we really have time where we actually think about our environment? As it is an environmental science class, we are thinking about the environment. But if there is a great bad incident, then we will think that environment is destroying a lot. Do we actually think about environment anytime? Like while scrolling the Instagram, do we actually do that?
You can answer it.
No.
Yeah, exactly. But when we see a great news or memes about environment, then we start thinking about it, right? Like, oh, this is happening, we have to do something, and that is just for a moment. And then we just forget about it. Do we remember any of the moments that we read in our 10th standard social textbooks? They say a moment called Chipko moment and all. Basically, honestly, even myself, I don't actually think about environment anytime, unless if there is a situation like this. And I think that needs to be changed. We are concerned about our environment, right? But what are we doing? Are we doing anything?
No.
Right? But we can do something. We can really do something. See, we are eating food in the canteen. How many of you are actually throwing that plates into your dustbin?
You can lift your hands, please. Very proudly, you can lift your hands.
Wow.
Time.
Wow, this is really great. This is really great.
Actually,
I see here. Once again, please. Missy, Rohit. I need the issue environmental science.
Wow, this is really great. I'm so happy. But I have seen many people who just leave their plates there like that. I'm just taking this college scenario, but there are in different places where we leave our waste. While going in bikes, we just throw on a chocolate. While if we are eating a chocolate, if we are sitting on the back side of a father or mother, we just throw that papers onto the road. Like there are many things which we can stop, right? We can hold that and we can throw it when we reach our home, right? Because when our parents were young, they didn't buy water from somewhere. But now, see, we are buying water from this canteen and that canteen. What if there is a position where we have to buy air? There will definitely be a situation of neglect like this. See,
That option is Mars.
yeah. See, as the man is as the evolution is being done, this is the destruction. The earth is dying. See, every person can do something. Together we can make the change, and we can see the earth is sad here. The earth is dying. It is our responsibility not to just think about environment in this environmental science period or while watching some news. We have to do something. And we all know what to do. Like we know that if we have to stop the global warming, we need to stop using air conditioners, CFC gases. Like we are emitting. But we do know some solutions, but we can do some of them, right? I am asking you to do some of them. What do you
She's
say?
asking you here. Are you all voting for her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See? Yeah. Lately when I was going towards the ground, I have seen a boy who is using an electronic scooty. I feel really happy that we are actually using electronic scooters and not emitting carbon fuels, like emitting CO2 and dangerous gases to the environment. Like there are few things minute things which can make a great impact when every individual is doing. See, because many of you said that you are throwing your waste into the canteen garbage cans. Like there are few things, very very minute things which can create a great impact. Do you agree? So I request you.
Oh my God. Such a result. Yes, it's okay.
I
Yes,
request you
ma'am.
whenever you get a little thing which can help for the betterment of the environment, you please do it. If possible for every your birthday, you can plant a sapling and try to protect it. Because I have done a sapling for like in my 8th standard, because my social sir told me that environment is dying, you have to do something in that. Hey, oh, I'll do. Come on, let's go. And then I forgot about it. I don't know if it is alive or dead. Let us be somewhat responsible. What do you say? Are we going to buy either in our future? But if it's no right, if we have to stop
I will
that
watch
happening.
you from upstairs. You made a promise to me. So I will watch you from upstairs.
If we have to stop that from happening, we have to do these little things to save our earth, and we have to stop our earth from dying. Thank you.